What does that mean? Scheduled. All right. Okay, I think things are working better now, so bear with me. Let me let everybody know on Discord. I can't see chat right now, so give me a second. And we may get interrupted. I'm having the new oven delivered, everyone. I'm stream. What do I usually say? I'm streaming live. I'm streaming live now. There we go. Yes, send to everybody. That drives me bananas. There should be at least be a thing for me to say, no, I don't want to ever answer that again. All right, so hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Hey, Nico, how are you? All right, so had an epiphany last night, I guess, about this problem that we were solving with the powers. So Venki had a great point, because I misunderstood what it was saying and what the problem was. So let's kind of go back and then probably need to quickly go through this. So basically, is it a power? Is it divisible by 3 repeatedly, and only here we go. This is a perfect way to think about this. Only divisible by 3. So 9 is only divisible by 3 for the power. I get really out there with exponents and things like that. So the only factors are 3. There we go. That is a great point. Nope, but if you can do 3, you can have a factor of 6. But the lowest, but it can only be divisible. So 27, it's only divisible by 3. There we go. So then we got to 81 divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. And then we got to 243, and we had a problem. 243. And then we also had an issue with 47. And one more. All right, so then we got to 45, because I didn't completely understand. So we had, somebody pointed out, I think it was Jay, that we could do this logarithmic. But I had a very strong feeling that Leetcode, they do a very good job of exploiting problems with built-in functions that Python has. So the issue when we got to 243 was it returned 4.999999, and actually 3 to the power of 5 is 243. So that dawned on me. I was like, there's a weird error. Yep. So it dawned on me that we need to do a while loop, and then once we get to the end, if it's 1, number divided by 0 point, and the number, actually multiplier. Really? Okay. Yes, there are subtle flaws in Python, and then you have to be very careful how you design it. I think there's one that I ran across, and it was kind of shocking to me. You got 2.0000000, and then 1. And I think it has to do with like a touch of rounding here, but it works 99.999% of the time, so they've let this go. All right, so let's go ahead and just jump in to this, and then I really want to see if we can optimize it. All right. So let me start with where I did start. So it dawned on me that in the Leetcode challenge, Oh, and then I'll show you that I was actually able to get it to, hang on. It's in JavaScript too. That's how I found out about it. Yeah, and I think if I recall that JavaScript has an issue with something to the power of 13. It can't really handle anything past the power of 13, if I remember. Python has no limits, but it does have, it is buggy around really complicated things like this. Very heavy math. How do I fix it though? Because this error causes me to have to reprogram the entire chunk of my code. I guess I don't know exactly. Well, if it's in JavaScript, I probably won't be able to help you at all. But let's deal with this, and then maybe you can send me. But yeah, the one that I wrote for this at Leetcode, I was able to get this down to 50 milliseconds, and it's 94. It's in the 94 percentile, or it beats. So it's in the top five percentile, and in the top 10 percentile of memory use. Here, I'll show you. Yeah. So like right here, I was able to get it down to here 50 milliseconds and 16.48. Hang on, this may be the delivery. Okay. Actually, guys, sorry. I don't know if I'll be able to come back, but I got a delivery here. They weren't supposed to get here till 8:30, between 8:30 and 12. So I'll drop and then I'll come back. So hope to see you guys later.